guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing or unpacking of this 30 amp. This is 25 foot 30 amp RV replacement 3-prong replacement cable. So my cable is all oxidized and stuff like that, and better be safe than sorry, as they say. So we're going to replace it, and we're going to replace it with this bad boy here from Cable Matters. And you know, that's the 3-prong. It's nice to include a little carrying case for it. You got 3 wires in the other end. Seems like really good, you know, quality. And yeah, we're gonna install this baby from Cable Matters into our RV. Should be a simple install. I like how it has the handle, so you can just grab it and pull. And you know, let me know if you have any tips to prevent oxidation on this thing over here. I'll probably like spray some, you know, grease, electrical grease or something like that to prevent it. But yeah, that's it. So, you know, my RV, like I said, this is all oxidized, overheating and stuff. So in order to be safe, I was gonna replace just the tip, but to be safe, we're gonna replace the whole thing. I mean, it's not that bad. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Take care.